so as you can see, we're back here at Thorpe Park for the first day of the season. Well, technically yesterday was because I had a pass holder day, but this is the first public day of the season. Tidal wave is going. I have switched back to the GH5 Mark II for this video, so we'll see how we get on. It's my first time shooting manual with this camera. I did obviously use the S9 and I was using that in manual last video at Alton Towers for their opening day. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. And yeah, we'll see what's changed around the park. I don't think there's many changes this year. Just a few little tidied up things I think they've done around the park, mainly down by Hyperia, which we'll check out later. So yeah, I think we'll take you around the park and see what's happening.
And get ready for what is. In everything you say and do, I take a step.
Double that. Runs on the way down, way back up. Taste the same both ways. Gin is not that runaway road. Route 75.
So we timed that right. We just literally come into the area. Stealth was closed, not opened yet for the morning. They literally opened it, so we just waited about 5 minutes and got straight on it, which is nice. So currently doing better for ride count than we did at Alton Towers on our last video, which is good. So yeah, the weather's beautiful today as well, which is nice. Always good this park in the sun. Slammer's finally been fully removed. Hyperia is currently down, so whether it'll open or not, I don't know if it's open this morning yet or not, but currently there's no life in the area, so fingers crossed it opens in a little bit. I'll try and get some rides in it hopefully, as that's probably one of the main reasons to come in here now. That and stuff, like I say, we had a good ride in Stealth this morning, but yeah, nice to see Slammer's finally been gone. Nice little area for a new flat hopefully in the future. They are sending test cycles around with water dummies on, so hopefully a good sign that it may open later on, but I think it's going to be a little while yet potentially. So I think we'll just carry on making our way around the park.
I'd be crying too.
And that's it from us here today at Thorpe Park. Had a good day overall. Shame Hyperia hasn't opened. The park isn't closed yet for another few hours, but it's pretty obvious Hyperia is not going to open today. If it does, it is what it is, but I'm not waiting around any longer waiting for it to open, unfortunately. But we got on stealth, did a few other little bits. We had a good day overall. Parks were really busy. Nice atmosphere around here, and the weather's been perfect, so hopefully this video's turned out alright. We like to saying earlier in the video, filming manual on the GH5 for the first time, so I'll have to see what it looks like when I edit. I'm not too sure where the next video will be from. It might be back from here, to be fair, because like I say, a bit gutted we didn't get to go on Hyperia today, so we'll definitely be back shortly to make sure we get on it. Maybe might do a weekday when it'll be a bit quieter, do a few other extra rides, but yeah, until then I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.